Tom Walker for Lakat TV, and what I have before your eyes is an egg, cold out the refrigerator, and a glass of water. And we are going to make the egg. No, just kidding. But what we're going to do is we are going to try to cook this egg in the microwave. And you probably have seen people talking about doing it on YouTube. So the first way we're going to do, we're going to take an egg. I have done nothing special to this egg, and we're going to put it in a glass of water. And you're going to see I'm going to cover this water with a paper towel and a rubber band, and you'll see the reason why in about 2 minutes. So let's do it. Okay, here's our egg in the water, cut in the glass with a paper towel covering it, a rubber band holding it. 2 minutes, 30 seconds microwave, we'll have boiling water. Okay, I set the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and we're going to, about 1 minute, we'll turn the camera back on. Okay, we are about at 2 minutes. I just wanted to show you the egg going around. Okay folks, I turned the video back on, so now we're watching the countdown. We're at 55 seconds till we get to the 0, 50 seconds. And we're just going to watch this egg go round and round. You see, about 2 minutes, this egg will be getting hot. It takes about 2 minutes or 2 minutes 30 seconds to boil a cup of water in the microwave. Now we're at 30 seconds to go, and we're still going round and round. Okay, our water's starting to boil a little bit, which you need the egg to boil. The microwave will probably shut off. I probably will have to turn it on for another minute. Okay, I just pushed the microwave for another minute, which will take us now to 3 minutes and 30 seconds that this egg has been in the microwave. We're watching to see what the results will be. So let's be patient and just watch. All right, folks, we just passed the 3 minute and 30 second mark. So now we're going for 4 minutes and 30 seconds with our covered egg. Remember, this egg started out cold, so it takes a little longer for it to cook in the microwave to get up to temperature. Now our water is really boiling. You may or may not be able to see it through the screen, but the human eye, interestingly, is a little better than the iPhone 6. And the water's really boiling at this point. And our egg is jumping up and down in the water. Alright, we're adding 1 more minute, so we're going for 5 minutes 30 seconds. We will definitely stop at 5 minutes 30 seconds, take the egg out, and take a look at what we got. I have never made it to 5 minutes with an egg in the microwave without adding the secret ingredient. But we make it with a covered egg. This Alright folks, we didn't make it. You see the egg didn't survive. It opened up the door and the top of it. This is what my microwave looks like after this little experiment. Covering the egg was not the best idea because that sort of